That's scary. I'm really scared of fireworks. Oh no. Oh.
That's like 6 of them.
I'm so scared. Oh, he's lighting another one of them. I think my eardrums are broken. I think my eardrums are broken, Layla. I'm only gonna go over there when they stop. I don't know any of these people, so I'm not talking. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? Wait, I'm gonna go. Never mind. Oh. Right here. Don't light another one. I'm gonna stay here. Why is he lighting so many of those? I hate those ones that make me close my eyes and cover my ears. Oh, he's lighting another. Is he lighting more? If it's that one again, I'm going to literally die. Yeah, it's that one. Please just be normal. I want it to be a firecracker. Oh, wait. What's he lighting? What's he lighting? Are they looking at me? They better not be making fun of me.